if you have benches around your property or your home like I do, you're going to get these rust stains, and there's just not a whole lot you can do about it except remove them. Now, I've tried a lot of different products, and I can tell you that this method works the best by far. The key to making this product work is to keep it wet. So if you're doing concrete, wet your concrete down, put some powder on it, rub it in or not, and just give it a light scrub. Now you can see that the majority of our stain is gone. You know, with a little light scrubbing, just a few seconds, it's gone. Except that small concentrated area where the steel was actually in contact, direct contact with the concrete. So for that, what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of oxalic, we're going to sprinkle it back on there, and we're going to wet the concrete down, and we're going to wait maybe 20-25 minutes, and we're going to come back. Now you can see that stuff bubbling up there if you look close. Now obviously with any product like this, you're going to want to take precautions. You're probably going to want to wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure you wash your hands afterwards. Just be careful. You know, obviously don't get it in your eyes. There you go, guys. You can see it's gone. No more rust stain. It's a nasty stain. Completely gone. Get you some of this. It's great stuff. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.